something with coins and 1 rupees note, which is issued by the government of India. The RBI authorities comes from the RBI Act 1934.
The next the next function of RBI is supervision. The next function of RBI is supervision on banks. RBI has the power to control and manage all the banks and their bank accounts and balance sheets. RBI provide loans to all the banks, whether it large and small, like small finance bank, urban cooperative bank, and regional rural banks. The supervision on banks is the key which maintains the account and the solvency of the banks. At least 25% of small finance banks are unbanked in rural, and 50% of loans advance comprise with the advance up to 25 lakhs. The next function of RBI is banker to government. RBI act as a financial security support to the government, which provide loan and money to the government. RBI mainly helps in 3 ways to government as banker to government. The first point about it is RBI provide money and financial security to government, and this helps government a lot of in building infrastructure and create employment. This also help in boost our economy of the nation. Second point is RBI helps in implementation and improving the schemes like Jan Dhan Yojana and Atal Pension Yojana, etc. RBI also provides banking security to the government by managing their accounts and financial statements of the government.
Our next function is Tigers Bank. RBI, also known as lender of last resort, is called Bankers Bank because it performs banking functions for other banks such as holding deposits, providing them loans, and it also acts as a clearing house for interbank transactions.
The lenders of last resort is a financial emergency lifeline that prevents the bank financial statement and helps the bank to keep financial functioning in the difficult situations.
Our last function is shifting paperwork to digital system. Key digital initiatives by RBI. First, NTGS, National Electronic